Hi, my name is Juan Osane. I'm a mechanical engineering student at Ostos Community College. Today I'm going to talk about SpaceX, the new conquest of space. Space exploration technologies, known as SpaceX, is founded in 2002 by the Tesla's CEO Elon Musk. The company offers commercial flights to orbit, and they have their headquarters located in Alton, California. The CEO's goal is to colonize Mars by 2024, but the company has his own goals, which are make space travel reliable, reduce the cost of space transportation, and to develop reusable launch system. They have four products. The first one is the Falcon one, which is a small satellite with kerosene powered. The second one is a little bit bigger, is a Falcon 9, which can lift 12,500 kilograms to low Earth orbit. It has the Falcon 9 Heavy, which can lift about 29,600 to low Earth orbit of cargo. Dragon Space is the last one, is a commercial spacecraft which can deliver cargo to the ISS, the International Space Station, can return cargo to Earth also, and potentially this spacecraft can deliver crew to the International Space Station. Here, this is an illustration of the SpaceX Crew Dragon. The SpaceX Crew Dragon is a spacecraft built by SpaceX company, and this this Dragon can provide cargo to the ISS and can return cargo from the ISS to Earth. Um, it is capable to lift about like 2,250 kilogram of cargo, and like we can see here, this dragon is equipped with a heat shield and another recovery systems to enable a controlled atmospheric reentry and splashdown to the ocean. So when the spacecraft returns to Earth, so you're gonna like open the heat shield to land to the ocean. About the financing, uh, the CEO start with this company with $100 million in his personal fund. After that, they win a contract with NASA for $1.6 billion, and they raised some money from the founders fund, about 20 million. So they got 1 billion from Google and Fidelity. They win a 6.1 billion contract combined with their rival Boeing. About innovation, first, they have the first private company to recover a spacecraft from orbit. They are also the first company to make reusable rockets. Um, SpaceX has reduced the cost of space travel for astronauts from 60 million to 20 million per seat. SpaceX can refuel, recycle, and launch a rocket in less than an hour. This is the first private company who can send reusable spacecraft to the International Space Station and return it to and return it to Earth. And they have also a reliable engine which is upgraded after each test flight. This is the Maryland. Every time they fail for a test flight, so they upgrade the engine. Now, this is the Falcon 9 reusable rockets completed a 100-meter altitude test flight. So this test took place at McGregor in Texas facility. This spaceship was returned from the International Space Station after a resupply mission for NASA. And after this mission, so the Falcon 9 was the Falcon 9 reusable rocket was completing this 100 with 1,000-meter altitude test. And so every time SpaceX does a reusable test or make reusable rocket, so this will cut the cost of space travel from today rate like $10,000 per pound lift to only or just $500. So this is my contact information. If you have any question, feel free to send me an email to rsaln9778 at hostos.cuny.edu. Thank you.